Hello and welcome to this review of Miro. I think I'm saying that correct. This is an AI platform that allows you to create quizzes and games and tests from documents, videos and many other things. So let's get into the review. So this is the pricing page and you can see it starts from $12 per month. I've bought my package through AppSumo and I'll put a link for that in the description. So I've now logged into Miro in my own account and you can see here we've got two options. I can make a test or a quiz. I can create it with AI. I can create it manually. At some point in the future, text-based games are going to come forward. That would be really good, but they're not here yet. I don't think there's any point creating something manually. Let's create something with AI. So we can create things from a prompt. We can write our own prompt. We can put in a body of text. We can upload a file. We can use a link and we can use a video. So for me as a video creator, I'm obviously picking the video one. Now in the AppSumo package, you need to get the tier 2 license to be able to use the video. So if I click here, I can then pick from a score-based or an answer-based type of quiz. I'm going to go for score-based and we end up here and you can see it's pre-selected video. So I've just gone and put in a link to one of my YouTube videos and I'm just going to do simple true or false, English Great Britain. I click next step. Now, this has always been a problem for me. The YouTube link doesn't work, which is infuriating. That's the reason I bought it. So what I would need to do is I would need to paste my text in here. So bear with me while I do that. So what I was able to do, I didn't have to paste my text in. I use a transcription service and I was able to export the transcription as a Word document. So I've just uploaded this, gone for simple true or false, and I'm going to click next. So I'm going to have 5 questions and number of choices, because it's true or false, I want to have 2 choices and number of results 2. So I'm just going to click next. Now I can set the difficulty. It's a test about my video, so it should be easy. And I can pick the GPT model. I can have the fast one or the most powerful one. I'm going to go for most powerful and I would want it as casual, although I don't really think it matters. I certainly wouldn't want Yoda. I'm going to click next step. So you get a cover because the quiz is hosted within the platform. I'm going to describe a cover with AI. So the video is about dubbing videos. So it's software for dubbing videos. Let's go for pixel art and click Start AI Magic. So it's generating the questions, the answers, and no doubt the album cover. And here it is. It's done that already. So I don't particularly like the image it's given me, but let's have a look at the questions. So what is the price of Dubmaster AI as mentioned in the review? Oh, that's correct. That's not correct. What is required to dub a video using Dubmaster AI? That's correct. Although that would also work. I'm going to change this because it's not quite correct. And I'm going to do, that's it. I'm happy with that. So I'm not going to add a cover with that. That's correct. I'm going to go back to the preview. That's correct. Okay, we've got a little summary here. I'm happy with that. So go to live preview. This is what we'll be able to link to once we've made this. We click start and we go through. And we got 2 out of 5. We're a Dubmaster novice. So I'm going to close that. This is annoying me, so I'm going to get rid of it and I'm going to add a new cover. I'm going to generate again with AI. Someone using a computer. I'm going to have digital art. Let's see if we get the right thing. Going to go with that and I'm going to apply that to image. There we are. So I'm now going to publish. So we can get stats and all manner of other things. We can look at domains. We can have settings. There's loads of things we can do here. You can see I've done a few of these. I think this software is great for people who have documents and do content. It's maybe not great for video creators like myself. I am really disappointed that the YouTube link doesn't work. That in itself is annoying, particularly as I paid extra for that. And I think the text-based story would be really good, but that hasn't been made yet, but I think that would be really good. And the other thing to consider is most general purpose AIs or content creation AIs can probably make quizzes. They won't do it as well as this, and they're not going to be able to host it, but you can probably make a quiz yourself based on a source material with most AI programs. This, however, is different because it hosts it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Goodbye.